Hi guys, today we'll talk about why fidgets are important. Why fidgets are important? Why fidgets are important? Let's discuss. Let's time to discuss. So I know you are thinking that fidgets are not important. It is only for playing. Nope, it is wrong. See, I'll tell you. Fidgets are important because it if we are angry, so if we play this fidget, it helps mind to relax the anger, and the anger gone. So now I'm very angry. I'm giving you example. I'm very angry. What I shall do? What I shall do? So it is a fidget now, and I'll be playing. See, it controls my means it low my anger. So see, now see, 1, 2, 3, go. And you have seen in the videos, grown-ups also buy fidgets. Why? Because it removes the anger. Okay, and kids buy because they want to play and relax their mind. If they are anger. Okay, so now we'll meet at the next video. Bye.